Master the Floss, a step-by-step guide to perfect oral hygiene. Are you ready to unlock a brighter, healthier smile? Many people skip flossing, but it's a crucial step in preventing cavities and gum disease. Let's dive into a simple, effective flossing routine that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth, areas your toothbrush can't reach. This prevents the buildup of bacteria that leads to cavities, gum inflammation, gingivitis, and even more serious periodontal disease. Think of it as the secret weapon in your oral hygiene arsenal. Ignoring these tight spaces can lead to bad breath and costly dental procedures down the road. Investing a few minutes each day in flossing can save you time, money, and discomfort in the long run. It's a small effort with huge rewards for your overall health. You'll need about 18 inches of dental floss. You can choose waxed or unwaxed floss, or even floss picks if you find them easier to handle. Experiment to find what works best for you. Some people prefer flavored floss for a fresher feeling. Others opt for floss that's specifically designed for sensitive gums. The most important thing is to choose a floss you'll actually use consistently. Wrap most of the floss around your middle fingers, leaving a few inches to work with. Use your thumbs and index fingers to guide the floss between your teeth. Be gentle and avoid snapping the floss against your gums. Gently slide the floss up and down against each tooth, curving it into a C shape. Make sure to go below the gum line, but be careful not to force it. Use a clean section of floss for each tooth to avoid spreading bacteria. The back teeth, or molars, are often neglected during flossing. They are just as susceptible to plaque buildup as the front teeth. Make sure you reach all the way to the back of your mouth. Pay extra attention to the areas where your molars meet your gums. These are common spots for food particles to get trapped. A little extra effort in these areas can make a big difference. Floss picks can be a convenient alternative to traditional floss, especially for people with dexterity issues. They are pre-threaded and easy to maneuver. However, they may not be as effective at cleaning all surfaces of the teeth. If you choose to use floss picks, make sure to use a fresh pick for each section of your mouth. This will prevent the spread of bacteria. They are a great option for on-the-go flossing. The timing of flossing is a matter of personal preference. Some people prefer to floss before brushing, while others prefer to floss after. The most important thing is to floss consistently, regardless of when you do it. Flossing before brushing can help loosen plaque and food particles, allowing your toothbrush to clean more effectively. Flossing after brushing can help remove any remaining debris. Experiment and see what works best for you. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of flossing. Remember, consistent flossing is a vital part of maintaining a healthy smile and preventing dental problems. Make it a daily habit and your teeth and gums will thank you. Ready to take your oral hygiene to the next level? Schedule a checkup and cleaning with our dental office today. Visit our website or call us to book your appointment. Don't wait. Invest in your smile and overall health now.